Today we're going to show you how to conduct a very important maintenance task on your water-activated tape dispenser, cleaning the heater plate. It's important to keep the heater plate clean in order to get maximum performance out of your machine. As the adhesive builds up on the heater plate, here, the tape could get caught on the debris and jam the machine during operation. First, turn the machine off and unplug it from the wall. To clean the heater plate, use a straight edge scraper. Plastic works just as well as this. Hold the heater plate up like so and scrape in a downward motion until the heater plate is smooth. Once the adhesive is off the heater plate, snap the lower plate up, back into place, and drop the heater back down onto the brush. And you're ready to go.